Picture this. Every day, you wake up feeling empowered, knowing that miracles are unfolding in your life. Opportunities come your way effortlessly. Your dreams are becoming reality, and abundance flows in every direction. The law of attraction is based on a simple but profound concept. Whatever energy you send out into the universe, you attract back to you. Step 1. Set clear intentions. Start by getting crystal clear on what you want. Step 2. Visualize your desired reality. Spend a few minutes each day imagining your desires as if they're already happening. Step 3. Align your vibration. Your vibration, or energy frequency, needs to match the reality you want to create. Step 4. Take inspired action. Manifestation isn't just about sitting back and waiting for miracles to happen. Step 5. Trust and surrender. Finally, trust the process. When you make these practices a part of your daily routine, you'll start to see extraordinary shifts in your life. So, are you ready to transform your life and start manifesting miracles daily? If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more manifestation tips and techniques. Remember, the universe is always listening. What will you manifest next? And click the link below this video for a free Law of Attraction workbook.